ensuite was fucking crazy. Like, you got this big nasty ass bedroom. I was like, yo man, this is what I deserve to wake up in. As a single guy, like I don't have no kids, I'm not married, so it's like, what bank is gonna give me 800K?
Who's that Pokemon? It's
Revolver theory.
You are a fool to challenge a god.
Man, I've been trying to find somebody. I've been trying to find people that work for Twitter and everything. Somebody I could directly talk to. I definitely need a plug. I know people with blue checks. It don't cost 15 bands. It does cost you being some sort of a hustler or having articles though on the internet. That's the key to getting verified. It don't cost 15 bands for a blue check. The shit is free. You just gotta be credible. You gotta have articles and shit on the internet to show, you know, some up-to-date shit. I don't know. I'm gonna try again. Maybe it'll work since I'm verified on one particular thing. We'll see. Everybody's looking for get-rich-quick schemes and shit like that. So everybody's looking to everybody's looking basically for a fast track to fast money now. Nobody wants to put in the work. Tell me why my voice is viral all over TikTok. That you shit yourself now. Nigga, there's like damn near 2,000 videos of people using the soundbite. I'm like, dude, I wonder if these people even know I exist.
Nope.
I'm like, bro, what? It's the internet just allows people to just steal from motherfuckers. But you know, it always has though. Like, how you really gonna stop it? Yo, you got a spot right now on a show, sitcom. I'll move temporarily, but I would never permanently move to Atlanta. Fuck no. Ain't no fucking way. I've been to Atlanta. I don't like the atmosphere. I don't like Atlanta at all. I'm cool. Oh, what the fuck? Damn, they got me, this motherfucker. Just call out that fucking mimic tier. Probably smarter for me to use that ice shit. What the fuck is my mimic tier doing? Come on, man. Get the fuck out of here. Let's see. What the fuck? What in the fuck? Oh, hell no. That shit's stupid. Some arrows go by, but lightning don't. Alright, whatever. They just giving away Sombra stones like candy here. That weapon sucks, man. The only thing that's good about it is the ice. That shit is trash, low-key. I still got a stream on YouTube. Like I said, the day I get 3,000-4,000 subs on Twitch, I'll consider it. But until then, absolutely not. Hot sex on a platter, no need to cook. She fucking with my head, want a nigga to bet. Ooh. Oops. Sexy pumps on, toenails red. Those aren't my lyrics. Remember that corny ass LL Cool J song with The Dream? I'm your baby, your baby. I need you in my life, my honey nut, my buttercup. And girl, you are my queen. You something special. The way you drop it on me, ooh, you got that neck slap. Vote like Badu, got me going on and on. The way the friction grips your lips, I'm hypnotized from it. My cognitive can't decipher it. I might forget the X that did me foul. You are the light to me. My heart pumps for you. We call it lightning. Remember that was those capital S bars I was spitting. That shit ruined the whole match. Is there anybody else in the lobby? Come on, man. That shit's so undeserved. You win. Did you just taunt me, nigga? You're banned. Yo, somebody find a nigga who just joined my shit too. You really just taunt me in my own shit, bro? I was about to say. Alright. Alright, yo, is there anybody else? The fake stocks, I'm not doing it. This dumbass nigga just playing with two big bodies, man. Stay the fuck out my fucking lobby tonight, you fucking lazy ass motherfucker. It's the second fucking character you pick where you looking for big damage off one fucking hit. Oh, what up, Mike? I didn't even see you in here. What up?